Welcome to Mauuak Saving Tips. Today I dive into the world of renewable energy stocks and challenge myself to pick the top ones to buy before the market shifts. The market is always changing and we're at a crossroads. Are we heading into a new bull or bear market? This uncertainty can be especially tricky for investors looking into renewable energy stocks. With so much fluctuation, it's hard to know which stocks will come out on top. As we consider the future of energy, it's clear that renewables are here to stay. But with so many companies popping up, it can be overwhelming to decide where to put your money. What makes a renewable energy stock a good buy? Is it their current performance, their future potential, or something else entirely? The challenge gets even tougher when you consider market volatility. One day, a stock is soaring. The next, it's plummeting.
Oh,
Do you make informed decisions amidst all this chaos? It's a lot to take in, but understanding these dynamics is crucial for any investor. Understanding the landscape of renewable energy is key. Solar, wind, hydro. Each sector has its own leaders and challengers. Some companies are innovating with technology, while others are expanding their operations. It's a complex field, but one thing is certain: the demand for renewable energy is on the rise. Investors face a multitude of challenges. From assessing the financial health of these companies to understanding regulatory impacts on the sector, it's not just about picking a stock. It's about picking a winner in a rapidly evolving field. Moreover, global events can have a significant impact on the market. Political shifts, economic changes, and even environmental policies can sway stock prices. Keeping up with these changes and understanding their implications is vital. The market trends are also telling. We're seeing a significant shift towards sustainability, with more investors looking for greener options. This shift is driving growth in the renewable sector, but it's also creating a competitive landscape. To navigate this, it's essential to look at specific companies and their potential. What's their track record? What's their strategy for growth? These are critical questions to ask. Let's explore some of the current market trends. The renewable energy sector has seen significant growth over the past few years, and it's expected to continue. Key players are already making waves with innovative technologies and strategic partnerships. Companies like Vestas, Siemens, Gamesa, and SunPower are household names. But there are also smaller players making significant strides. For instance, companies focusing on solar energy are becoming increasingly efficient and cost-effective. The solar sector in particular has shown remarkable resilience. With the cost of solar panels decreasing, more households and businesses are turning to solar energy. This trend is expected to continue, making solar stocks potentially lucrative. Wind energy is another area of interest. With technological advancements, wind farms are becoming more productive and less intrusive. This progress is driving growth in wind energy stocks. Hydro energy, though more traditional, still holds a significant place in the renewable market. Companies involved in hydroelectric power are seeing stable growth, which can be attractive to risk-averse investors. The market is also seeing innovations in energy storage, which is crucial for the renewable sector. Companies that can efficiently store energy are becoming more valuable as the demand for consistent power grows. When looking at specific stocks, there are a few that stand out. For solar, companies like Enphase Energy and SolarEdge are making significant contributions with their technology. In wind, Nexter Energy is a leader. These companies are not just growing, they're also innovating. They're finding new ways to make renewable energy more accessible and affordable, which is crucial for their long-term success. Highlighting the top renewable energy stocks to buy now requires a deep dive into their financials, their technology, and their market position. Companies that are leaders in their field, that are innovating, and that have a solid financial foundation are the ones to watch. These stocks include not just the established players, but also some newer entrants that are disrupting the market with innovative technologies. It's about finding that balance between risk and potential reward. The key points to remember are the growth potential of the renewable sector, the importance of innovation, and the need to research thoroughly before investing. These stocks offer a glimpse into a future powered by renewable energy. In a rapidly changing market, renewable energy stocks offer a compelling opportunity. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, understanding this sector is crucial. Let's recap. We're at a pivotal moment for renewable energy. The market's volatility presents challenges, but also opportunities. By focusing on companies that are leading the charge in solar, wind, and hydro energy, investors can find stocks that not only offer growth potential, but also contribute to a sustainable future. So, what are your favorite renewable energy stocks? Let me know in the comments below. Check out my other videos for more insights on investing in the renewable energy sector.